Welcome to Flatulence Friday.
Yeah. Thanks so much.
If I could, I would feel nothing, that's the truth, and I don't care. Mixed prescriptions with prescriptions, it's not right, but like.
You know where a bathroom is? You know where a bathroom is? Who? A bathroom.
Yeah. Over here.
Where?
Hey, what was that? You just shit it.
I just shit a little bit.
Let him on.
I don't even have anything on me. I'll leave my wallet in the car.
Don't do me like that, baby.
I wish I had something.
He thirsty as hell, man. I help him out with something to eat, bro.
I really don't have shit.
Yeah, go right here.
Alright, that's where the bathroom. I'll shit myself, I think.
Yeah, go right there.
Alright, thanks.
Man, that was nice.
Attention associates, can manager Chris, could you please come to sporting goods? Chris?
Hello? Yeah.
Oh God, I'm sorry.
Nice whooping.
So what?
Nice whooping.
A whoop? What? Oh no. Hey, ¿dónde está leche?
Leche?
Leche. ¿Dónde está leche?
Leche?
¿Dónde está leche? No, leche, no leche, no leche.
Hey, yeah, yes.
My bad, buddy. This isn't the right all. Oh, Jesus Christ. You guys can keep that. We're on Market Street, and there's a tornado 2 blocks that way. If you look, you can probably see it in the camera.